what do you have to say about Black Lives Matter and Africa as a continent?
Oh, I have a lot of things.
Just make it short, because we don't want the video to be too long.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Black Lives Matter. Unpopular opinion. I don't understand it, to be honest, because why do? It's so anger based. It's so emotionally based, And people like to say anger gets shit done. It doesn't. It gets things done, but destructively. Once we realize that we are not our feelings, and we stand back from our emotions, and we realize that these are things that are coming and going, then we can actively and productively get together and find solutions. Because running around on the street screaming Black Lives Matter or just writing hashtags, this is my perspective, correct me if I'm wrong, it won't change much, and it's become more of a fashion now.
Yeah.
Black Lives Matter has become a fashion, and honestly speaking, I don't want the kids that I will have in the future, or anybody in this world, to become the next hashtag. And that's just the trend, People like to make hashtags, but what is the real change that we're making? Where is the unity?
I have only one question about Black Lives Matter. I have only one question. My question is, Africans are dying every day.
Yeah.
People are being killed in Africa.
Yeah.
People are living in abject poverty.
Yeah.
Some of this poverty is caused by big international firms.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And the world is not saying anything.
Exactly.
One black man dies in America from a police guy, and the whole world turns upside down. And they say Black Lives Matter. Why they don't fight for Africans that are dying every day?
That's the thing.
In Africa. Are they not black enough?
Let me say one thing. First of all, Medea, that's the Greek goddess of illusion.
Yeah.
Media.
Yeah.
Present day social media.
Yeah.
Also, genuinely, Medea is an illusion.
Yeah.
So we really have to ask ourselves, why are certain people taken out of the form and made into this huge example where other people are dying, they countlessly, and lots of people, and it's just questionable. To me, the whole movement is questionable.
Yeah.
It's questionable in many ways that I don't think we have that much time to go through, but it's questionable. And I think one last thing that I would say on that is question everything. Question absolutely everything, and step back from situations. Once something is once something is blown up in the media, do not jump on absolutely every train that just rides by.
Yeah.
Think about where that train could be going. Look at it. Take a step back. Look at it from different perspectives. Read.
Yeah.
Read your history. Read.
Yeah.
Read your history. Read from black historians. Read your black history.
Yeah.
Read. And these things will come more into perspective. And this cancellation culture of, if you don't support Black Lives Matter, it's exclusion. It's the same thing that you're fighting against, you're doing.
Yeah.
You can't fight something. If you want something to progress, you have to be aware of it. Sit back, think about it. Yeah.
Okay.
I guess.
Thank you so much.
Do you listen to Niger Afrobeat? If yes, who are your top Niger Afrobeat artists?
Thames.
Who?
Thames.
Who is Thames?
Thames. I love Thames. Loco, baby. No?
I don't know him.
Okay.
I don't know her.
It's
a girl?
It's a lady.
A lady?
Ooh, I love her.
From Nigeria?
Yes. There's also this Igbo guy, but I forgot his name. I forgot his name.
Is it Flavor?
No, but wow. Oh, I love Flavor. Yay! I love Flavor.
What about Burna Boy?
Burna Boy. All of them, to be honest. Actually, Yemi Alade is one of the bigger ones that I really enjoy.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but Tangerine is one of my favorite songs from her.
Okay.
Yeah. And of course, Angelique Kidjo. I grew up with her music.
Yeah. She's
the absolute queen for me. You know, Femi Fela,
What about Davido?
Davido as well. All of them really. Timaya, I love them. Yes, I love their music. I don't know them.
Yeah.
I love their music.
Yeah, Timaya is hot. Yeah.
Actually, you know, something funny happened to me. I was performing in the Born in Africa festival
Yeah.
in 2018.
You went to Nigeria.
I was performing in the festival. I was one of the drummers
Yeah.
that they flew in from Austria.
Yeah. I saw you guys hanging on the air.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was with Tom Blue, Dramatical Theatre. That was the company that we flew in with. And I didn't know it was going to be this. I didn't know it was going to be Yemi and Flavor and Davido. They were all there, and I didn't know. I just thought, we're flying to Nigeria. I'm really excited. Let's go.
Yeah.
And so on the day where I was performing, right, all the artists that were pulling up backstage, they were all coming and pulling up backstage.
Yeah.
So I was going to the bathroom just between our we had two different performances, the beginning and the end. We opened the show and closed the show, and I was going to the bathroom, and this guy stepped out of his, I don't know what kind of car, some big flashy white car, you know. And I thought he was, you know, checking me out or something.
Okay.
So I was just looking like, and walked straight.
Okay.
It was not until later when he went onto stage, it was Timaya.
Timaya. Okay.
I didn't notice, you know.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what happened. Maybe he lost weight or something. We didn't look like on the videos because I've never seen him in real life.
Yeah, and he has a big beard now.
To me, it was just funny because he was also looking like, you don't know who I am, do you? You know. Yeah, that was a funny situation because it was only when he was standing on stage. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, it was great. I watched some clip from your performance with the drumming.
That was super fun.
Yeah.
That was super fun.
Yeah. So now it comes to the very interesting part. Let's see if you can.
You think you can rap? Repeat this sentence after me 3 times without breaking. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu.
You want to kill me?
Yeah, go.
Okay, you know what? I saw this in another interview.
Yeah.
And I sent it to one of my friends, like, look at this. It's your language. I don't know what it's saying, but can you say it, you know? Oh, I can try. Okay, you know what? I'll try. I'll make a fool of myself. Please play it one more time. I'll try.
Okay, let's play one more time. I know you are highly talented.
You think you can rap?
You can do it.
Repeat this sentence after me 3 times without breaking.
I believe in you.
Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu.
Oh yeah, go. 1, 2, go.
Okuchukwu in the middle. Something local there.
Yeah, just it's very simple.
Okay, it might be simple, but I've not practiced. Well, okay, one more time.
You think you can rap? Repeat this sentence after me 3 times without breaking. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu. Ụkọchukwu Okechukwu kwuru okwuchukwu n'ụlọ Chukwu dị n'alọ Chukwu.
Okay, I tried. A for effort.
It's not easy, even for Africans.
Yeah,
it's not easy.
Yeah.
Even to repeat it once, then you repeat it 3 times without breaking.
No, that one's.
I remain my humble self, Cola Man. Stay tuned.